So I'm gonna be using this mini treat bag from Stampin' Up. It's going to be 137547 in case you guys were interested. This is not a sponsored video, it's just the materials that I used to make this cute paper bag. So I'm sure you guys have seen other videos, but wanted to share this little bag with you guys. So I already cut the big part right here. So now I'm gonna cut the little one, and right now I'm gonna be using this paper pad collection from Authentic, yeah, that I got from Tuesday Morning. Such a cute paper. It costs $5.99. Very cute paper pad. So I'm gonna be using this paper. See? So what we're gonna do is get this part, and we're gonna cut it. And I already made this bag for my mailman. For every occasion, I always give something to my mailman, just so that he can feel appreciated, and that just figured, you know, something small to give to him. So I'm just gonna score it. I'm gonna bring this paper in. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put adhesive on this flap, and we're gonna put it together like this. Okay, and you can choose to either put adhesives on this side or adhesive on this side, whichever is your choice. And then what I do is place adhesive here on the bottom and then close it up. I know some people like to put adhesive here, and then close this up. Sorry, I wasn't in focus, but I just like to do it that way better. I kind of like the flap. Okay, so once you put adhesive on the flap, we're gonna go ahead and take it out. My camera died, so I had to pause it and recharge it. So I'm gonna try to line it up without getting my head in the way. Okay. Okay. Let's take out the other part. This red tape, it cost $1 at Tuesday Morning. They have two. One is a brand name, I think, and the other one is just like from another company. It's 99 cents. It works really good. I recommend picking that up too. I picked that one up because it was cheaper and I wanted to see if it worked. Go ahead, put it together. Okay. So I forgot to tell you that I used the heart from the set. Let me show you. Sorry, my magnet thing is so dusty and dirty. But I used this heart. Sorry. Use this heart. Place it on the paper. So I already had it cut out. I placed it in the center, and then I run it through the Big Shot machine. So that's another way you can do it. I chose to put a heart in the center. And then if you're gonna put treats, if you want to put treats and you want to put a window, before you put it together, then you put adhesive around the heart, and then you can put a clear plastic sheet to make it be a see-through. In this case, I didn't. I wanted it to look like that. And so now what you're gonna do is get a scrap piece of silver glitter paper. It could be any one you like. I'm just gonna decorate it the way I like it. that. Maybe do a little diagonal piece. And then I'm gonna use my red line tape again. And I'm gonna place adhesive right there in the middle of the paper. I can't find my little Martha Stewart scissors. I think I'm gonna have to go out to the store and buy the tiny scissors. Okay, it's gonna look like that. And then from that same collection, there's some stickers on the back, and I think I'm gonna use let's use Be Mine. Not sure if it's two. Yeah, let's use it. So I'm just gonna place it down here. This is the good part about having paper pads that already have the sentiment on the back. You don't have to cut out extra pieces for your design paper. And here you can choose to add a flower, some sequins, half pearls. In this case, I wanted to use, I found these pipe cleaners and they're very flexible at the Dollar Tree, and I got them during Valentine's season. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to make it into a bow. I don't know how to make bows with this one. I'm just gonna make something like this. I'm just making it up here, so just gonna do it something like that and then place it here. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, let's just do that. And trying to fix it a little bit so it won't be too ugly. I'm gonna get some 3D dots and just place it right here on this part of the glitter. And I finished a little pocket for now. And you can put anything here. I'm sure you can put like hot cocoa, those Starbucks coffees, there's thin, you can put two. But yeah, so I wanted to show you, I made one out of wrapping paper. Here's my wrapping paper. And the Enjoy is from that same set. I just run it through the Big Shot twice on 180-pound Nina white paper. Put the silver and a little flower here. That's how it looks. With this one, don't score it too hard because it is wrapping paper and it's very delicate, so it can rip. So be very gentle with this. And this is just regular cardstock. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day. Bye bye.